Please, wala ka, bili kang relos mo. Makakasa ka na naman sa akin. Tsura mo. Batiin natin mga kaibigan lahat ng mga dalaga at binata na nag-accept na maraming friend requests. Pero hindi naman sila ka-closean sa bawat isa. Diba? Yung mga wala lang. Ano ang ginagawa? Diba? Ano ang point na kayo ay friends? Sa Facebook o kahit ng social account, diba? Kung hindi naman kayo nag-uusap, no? Wala lang, may ganun. Accept mo ako! Bakit? Nay! Lahat po na empleyado ng Uniqlo, hindi naman lahat, ano? Ilan lang, nandito pa iba. So kung bukas, puyat po at hindi nakapasok kasi galing po dito. Tsaka papangalanan. Mga taga Uniqlo, Robinson's Place, Manila, si Abigail Mendaro. Ay tama yung pagkakabasa ko ha. Abigail. Hindi ako na na Anes ha. Romy, Laguda, Rowena, Macolo, and Mary Ann Saavedra. Yan. Ay, Saavedra. Sa Avedra. Nandito po yung mga empleyado ng Uniqlo. Hello po! Maligayang pakikinig po at binabati ka mga kaibigan, yung mga tao nakasubaybay at nakaantabay dito sa ating istasyon ng live mga kaibigan. Oo. Batch 2013 ng UMAC 4-DMK. O talaga, Universidad of Makati. University pala. Si Mami Jen, congrats sa baby mo. Happy kami para sa iyo. Yeah, Mary Jen, kau din malapit na makita si baby mo. Ano ba meron sa mga barkada yun? Nagkakababy lahat. Nakalimot silang lahat. Oh my God, I forgot. Sos Maria, nagarapan. But anyway, congratulations mga kaibigan. Team Bajau ng Migration Support. Happy Halloween. Maligayang pakikinig po. Yung magbabakasyon ng malayong lugar this coming Halloween or All Saints Day. Ingat-ingat ha. May nagtatanong sa akin, Papa Jack, bakasyon ka ba? Hindi po. I'm staying. I'm gonna be on air mga kaibigan ha. All those days na ako po ay it's supposed to be vacation but I have gigs. I'll be in Paddy's Point. I'll be doing some gigs. Wala pa akong bakasyon mga kaibigan. I will work during the holidays and it's okay. It's completely normal. Pag hindi ko nadalo yung mga kamag-anak kong namayapa, well, nag-text na ako na baka sila na lang ang dumalaw sa pagtulog ko. Ang takutin dyan no? Hay, batiin mo naman ako bago ako matulog. Tapos matutulog ka, babatiin kita. Mukha mo. Diba? Kailangan ko ng tagapakinig, hindi papatulogin ko. Tsura nito. Sige na nga, Laya Amante, tsura mo. Julian A, babati ako. Black you. Ano to? Pagdamay na walang pinipiling panahon at lugar. Tao, ano yan? Ano kadramahan yan? Hi, Papa Jack, bakit ang pogi mo po? Uy. Actually, hindi ko nga alam kung bakit. Alamin ko nga mamaya. Baka may pilingerong DJ. Ako na pang pilingero. Ay nako. Sabi ni Crystal, sipag pengi 1.5. Black you. Hi, 12:39 is our time. Good morning everyone. Ang Love Radio Dagupan nakasubaybay at si Miss Jackie nakasubaybay. Ganda raw ng song Brown Eyes. Miss yun, Destiny's Child. Si Marie ng Paranaque nasa kabilang line. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Hi, how are you? Ano ko naman ang boses mo, ma'am?
Oo nga
Talaga? Parang piyesta ng patay naman talaga yan. You are 34.
Yes.
How do you consider your age? May edad na ba ang 34?
Hindi.
Nagde-deny. Ako nga 32 eh. But I don't feel old, diba? Sabi ko pala, age is just a matter of age is never a matter of years, it's a matter of feelings. And I feel like I'm younger than 32, but I'm 32. I feel like I'm a lot younger. I feel like I'm a fetus. Sobrang young.
Fetus.
Abusado na ako. Ate, lakas mo ng kaunti, ha?
Okay.
Oh my God, this is going to be interesting.
Why? Because,
you are so sad.
Am I?
Oo.
Maybe.
Balak na kitang bigyan ng 1.5 eh. Gusto mo 1.5?
No, thank you. I'm fine.
Ako na lang bigyan mo. Mayaman ka pala eh.
Hindi naman.
Ano ba yan?
Pero money isn't everything.
Well, almost.
Oo, pwede.
Hindi naman. Sabi nila, money is the root of all evil daw. Pero hindi ako naniniwala. Naniniwala ako na yes, money can do a lot of bad things, but money can do a lot of good things as well.
Yes, that's correct. We can help others through money.
I know the feeling, ate. Alright, anyway, Marie, you're from Parañaque, 34. Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Marie?
Ano po, call center. Nag-work ako sa call center.
What's your favorite color?
Black.
Black. Sige na nga, black na gamitin ko. Pwede ko na. Kasi di ba yung nilalagay ko sa Facebook yung mga ano nyo, pangalan nyo? So black na lang.
Okay.
Ayan, black na lang yung kulay. Sige na ate. Ikaw ay magkakwento tungkol sa... Masalimuot ba to ate?
Hindi ko alam eh. That's why I called you. Kasi...
Okay. You are not married?
No, I'm not.
You don't have any kids yet?
Never been married, no kids.
Do you have any plans?
Meron, oo.
Sorry What a question. Napakahayop ng tanong. Pasensya ka na. Pagpasensya mo na yung DJ na
idol na idol kita. And this is a great opportunity.
Ate, huwag ka nang bumulong. Baka akalain nila prayer meeting to. Abutan kita dyan ng ano. Anong tawag doon?
Break lang kasi.
Scapular.
Break lang kasi sa work. Kaya.
Okay. Okay. You're at work right now? Like, really?
Yes.
What is your job again?
Sa call center po.
Are you a manager already?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you're part of the rank and file? Entry level?
Partly.
Yeah, so you're a part of the below job? You know, the job when you're just starting, you're a below job? Do you like being the below job part, a member, gano'n?
Parang, gano'n.
Sige na, magkwento ka na. Hoy, sinabi ko below Ate, tell me your story. I'm willing to listen.
Ayun, kasi may boyfriend po ako. Nasa US. Magsi 6 months pa lang kami this coming, November 1st.
Okay, let me clarify one thing here. You guys became an item nang magkalayo kayo.
Hindi po.
He was here?
Yes.
And did you know during that time he was living for the US?
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi nagkakilala naman kami through chat.
Okay.
So...
Foreigner? I mean,
no.
American? No.
Pinoy po.
Okay, what is he doing in the US?
Buying
potatoes? You know? Ano pa?
Is a physical therapist.
Okay. Alright. Kailan siya umalis?
Nung May po.
Okay.
So, he came home April. So, nag-chat na po kami before that, like a year or so. Tapos,
ano ang tono ng chat ninyo?
It's a friendly chat.
Okay, nothing went on. You were not able to send this guy a photo which is revealing.
No.
I'm just trying to make sure. Okay.
I know naman what you mean. Ano po, friends lang talaga.
Okay. No need to panic and explain. Alright, go ahead.
Oo, friends lang. Tapos,
Pahina ka po ng pahina po!
Sorry. Tapos, siguro, hindi kami nag-usap ng siguro 6 or 7 months. Kasi nga, naging busy lang. Ganyan. Tapos,
bumulong ka po!
kasi nga po, nasa work. Ayun. And, what happened was, after 7 months, umuwi siya. Hinanap niya ako, which means nag-text siya sa number ko, and hindi ko nga po alam na nabigay ko sa kanyang number ko sa ganun katagal. So, ayun, nagulat lang ako kasi sabi niya if I want to meet him. So, sabi ko, okay, kasi meet lang naman, ganyan, tsaka matagal ko na siyang nakuha. Okay,
question natin. Sino ang una nag-reach out sa inyo over
Siya po.
Okay.
Siya po.
You were never connected through any friends?
No, not at all.
How did he make an approach sa'yo, ate, like, sa Facebook? Hi, miss. Ganon. What's your name?
Hindi siya sa Facebook, sa tag.
Sa tag. Ano ba yung tag na yan?
Tag.com. It's parang, parang you meet friends din.
Okay.
Para din siyang Facebook, pero it's more of like dating, ganon.
Okay.
Online.
Okay.
So, ano pa nangyari? Parang nag-hi hello naman. It's a friendly chat nga po.
So ibig sabihin na natin, it's really the purpose why why you will have a tag account. Okay, to get acquainted with other people, ate.
Yes,
okay.
yes po.
Okay, it serves the purpose, all right.
Tapos ang nangyari when
English ako, bad trip.
tapos nung umuwi na po siya nung
Okay.
April, nag-text po siya na he wants to meet me. So, yun, nakita kami.
Where did you guys meet?
MOA.
MOA, what part of MOA?
So oh my God, I forgot the beach Avis, the flower shop.
Holland Tulips?
Oo.
Why did you guys meet there?
Hindi, kasi mas malapit siya lang dun sa sa daan. So
Okay.
pagbaba ko ng taxi, makikita ko na siya, ganun.
Alright.
So yun,
Ano ang purpose niyo? Ba't kayo magkikita na? Para lang may isa katuparan na nagkita kayo at least.
Hindi kasi-
lang magkausap gano'n, na?
oo,
Okay.
yun lang. Tsaka pag malaman mo na totoo siya, ganyan.
Malay mo, balete pala yung kachat mo, no? Kasi sa internet, bida, sinungaling, tama, mali? Oo,
tama
bida.
yun.
Pag pwede ka nga maging kamukha ni Brad Pitt yan, by just trying to build your own profile.
Yes, I agree.
Hmm.
Ayun, tapos nakita kami, ang saya-saya. Kasi,
Paano ang saya-saya, te?
Hindi, kasi iba yung feeling.
Ano pa sa lubong niya sa'yo?
Chocolates.
Ano ba yan? Walang iPad, gano'n.
Wala, tsaka lotion.
Lotion? Hindi ko alam kung maiinsulto ako. Ba't ang gaspang ba ng balat?
Yung mga ganyan. Victoria's Secret na lotion, ganyan.
Okay.
Pabango.
Pabango.
Oo. First time na may nagbigay sa akin ng ganun in the first meeting. So,
Di normal lang ate, di ba? Kung nasa abroad siya eh. Magulat ko kung dala niya sa'yo ate, shawarma, galing sa abroad. Malati po.
Hindi kasi malaki. As in, maraming tsokolate.
Gano'ng marami?
Isang paper bag.
May natira pa?
Wala na eh, naubos.
Toko at baboy naman, no? Hindi mo nagbigay dito. Lapit mo, mawawa. Dito lang ako sa may ano. Dulo na makapagal.
Iyon, okay naman. Nag-usap kami, ganun.
Huwag kang bumulong. Di ba kabutan kita ng ano dyan? Prayer bukoy!
Kasi po, alam ko naman kasi na kasal. Pero hiwalay na po ng mag-8 years na.
So, you are just worried about the technicalities.
No, not really. Kasi nga, hindi naman yun problema, actually. Kasi ang problema ko ngayon, hindi niya ako kinakausap for 2 weeks na.
Okay, may pinagawayan ba kayo?
It's a petty thing for me, pero I don't know with him. Kasi nga, he's not reaching
Ate, wag kang bumulong, please. I just don't want to keep on reacting to your whatever you are telling me. Ang sabihin ko lang sa'yo ay lakasan mo. Sayang yung moment, ate, please.
He's not reaching out.
Okay, so anong ang pinagawayan ninyo?
Ano lang, kinakausap ko siya, nasa Skype, pero may kausap na iba. Parang maririnig mo na nag-Facebook, ganun, may nag-chat. So I reacted kasi I was sick at that time.
You were what?
I was sick.
Okay, so you wanted his full attention.
Yes.
Okay.
Parang deserve ko naman yun kasi may oras yung pag-uusap eh. Hindi naman kami lagi nag-uusap.
Okay.
Because different yung time zone.
So what did you tell him nung nakita mo na parang meron siya? Kasi sure ka naman na may kausap talaga siya?
Opo, kasi
Okay.
naririnig mo naman yun kapag may nag-chat eh. Pag merong, alam mo yun, nagta-type ka.
Yung may plonk, gano'n, di ba?
Oo,
May message, ma?
Oo, may plonk.
May plonk.
Ganun. So, sinabi ko lang na, uy, kausapin mo muna ako. Pwede ba? Kasi naglalambing lang ako dahil may sakit. Tapos, wala. Tapos, hindi niya ako pinapansin until nakatulog. Nakatulog na siya. Kasi galing ng trabaho. So, alam ko namang pagod.
How long you guys have been talking nung time na nakita mo may kausap siyang iba?
Matagal, simula pa nung umalis siya. it was really
nung time na yung araw na nag-away kayo, gaano katagal na kayo magkausap nun?
Ano lang po, 15 minutes.
Okay, mga ilang minuto nung nag-uusap na kayo nung mabad trip ka?
Mga 15, ganyan.
Na-bad trip ka na?
Hindi naman bad trip talaga. Sinabi ko lang, sige, kasi nakatulog na eh. So, bago ko maisara yung sa Skype, nag-type ako na, sige, matulog ka na lang, ganyan, mag-FB ka na
Kumbaga,
lang.
tampong babae.
Ganun lang naman kami, di ba?
Well, that I can say yes, ganun kayo, di ba?
So, pero yan, that's the only time.
Ganun naman kayo, when you say, I'm okay, you're not really okay. Na? When you say, we're fine, we're not really fine.
Which is true.
Yeah, most of the time, yeah.
So, nag-leave ako na message na, sige na, mag-FB ka na lang, magpahinga ka na. I'm sure pagod ka.
Dapat bilinak mo siya. Block you. Ganon.
Hindi ako ganon.
Ano ba yan? Matuloy.
Ano nangyari, mga siguro, mga 8 a.m.
Okay.
So, 1 p.m., nag-message. Galit na galit kasi puro exclamation, and that's the first time. Sabi niya, bad trip ka, nakakasira ka ng araw, ganyan-ganyan. Marami na siyang sinabing masasakit.
Bulong ka pa.
Marami na sinabing masasakit.
Okay.
So, nagsorry ako. Sabi ko, pasensya ka
Ate,
na.
what was the exact message you sent him?
Yun po, mag-FB ka na lang. Matulog ka na lang. Alam ko namang pagod ka. Yun lang po.
Nothing more than that.
No, wala na. Yun lang.
Pinasama niya. Well, sorry, but I get your point. Nakaka-bad trip nga naman talaga.
Kasi parang kasi may sakit ako at the time at alam niya, hindi man lang nag-ask ng kumusta na ako, kung okay na ba ako. Yung nag-chat agad.
Okay. But
kasi,
were you able to find out sino bang kachat niya talaga dun sa Facebook?
Hindi po, kasi nagalit na eh.
Okay. So that was it? Yun na yung huling pag-uusap ninyo?
That was October 17.
And 29 na ngayon?
Tapos nung the next day, the following day, it was my mom's birthday.
Okay.
So, inaasahan ko kasi ang dami nag-greet sa FB ng nanay ko, ganyan-ganyan. Inaasahan ko, syempre, dahil boyfriend ko siya.
Kilala siya ng ma'am mo?
Opo.
Pinakilala mo?
Pinakilala ko kasi importante sa akin yun. Hindi ko po siya sasagutin ng hindi siya nakikilala ng nanay ko.
I like that. Diba? Tama kayo mga lalaki, ha? Tumungtong kayo sa bahay ng mga nililigawan nyo, mga jowa ninyo. Ligawan nyo yung nanay.
Kasi at the time, sorry po.
Meron dito kilala kayo sa bahay ng Dawats, ha?
Opo, pati kapitbahay namin kilala siya.
Okay po.
Kasi,
yung aso kilala siya pa po?
Wala po kaming aso.
Ano ba yan? Pakilala mo kahit di mo kilala.
Mga butiki siguro.
Dali.
Yun po, importante sa akin yun eh. Kasi kung gaano niya binavalue yung family niya, ganun din ako.
Okay. So, in short, hindi siya
Hindi po. Tapos magpo-post na ako ng pictures dahil yun nga, sa mama ko. Naku, wala na po ako sa list niya. Naka-highlight na yung add friend. So, tinanggal niya ako sa FB niya.
Ate, okay. Enlighten me with this one, alright? On this one. Before nag-usap kayo ate through Skype na nagsabi ka ng ganun, wala kayong arguments before that?
No.
You were completely fine? You were okay?
Yes.
Di ba, there was no complaints coming from him?
None at all. Kaya nga, I'm really sad.
No, that's devastating.
I know, it is.
What in English? Devastating. It's like a typhoon. Like
exhausting po. Actually exhausting. Kasi you always think every day, every minute, what happened?
Ganyan,
what have you done?
Asal babae yan, ha? Yung ganyan, yung halimbawa, iniwan kayo, kaya may ibang, kahit may nilike lang yung boyfriend nyo na ibang picture.
Ay, hindi po ako ganun.
Hindi ikaw. Huwag kang guilty. Iba, di ba? Mas maganda ba sa akin yon? Di ba, did I do something wrong? Di ba, do I look bad today? Nakaka-relate ka ba, sir? Ganyan sila. Ako talaga. Kayo talaga! Naku, kayo. Ha? Tuloy mo na.
Ako po kasi, ang ugali ko, nagtatanong talaga ako. Gusto ko nag-uusap. Kahit na magalit ka sa akin, at least alam ko kung galit ka ba o hindi. Ganun.
Alright, so that was it. What's your question?
Kasi nahihirapan ako. Ayoko magsinungaling sa anak niya kasi we're very close.
Ilan taon na anak niya?
13.
Huwag magsinungaling. Tell the kid.
Alam naman. Alam naman, pati yung family. Kaya lang, nahihiya po kasi ako. Every week nandun ako sa bahay nila.
Huwag ka pumunta ron, kung alam mo hindi kayo okay.
Kasi yung nanay po, tsaka yung anak, gusto ko pumupunta.
I mean, yeah, you have to adjust on that part. Kasi paano pag hindi na kayo? Nakailang jowa ka na? Let me create a profile of you.
5.
Are you manipulative?
It
That's a yes.
depends on how you define.
That's a yes. Let's not create another definition for that.
Okay.
The mere fact that you cannot answer me ate, and you want situations just to answer that ate, it means it's a yes.
Siguro po, opo.
Okay. I rest my case.
Siguro to tell you frankly, I have a strong personality.
I can sense that ate.
Pero
actually
I am really
pinangitan ko na nga, sabi ko manipulative nga eh. Well, being someone with strong personality, it's actually a good thing. Being manipulative is the bad thing. Kasi that's even worse, di ba? Sa pagiging nagger.
Kasi mahal ko po yung anak niya.
It's never it should never be the excuse.
I know, pero kasi nagkaroon na kasi ng problem yung bata dahil nung simula naghiwalay sila ng asawa niya. Iba na yung behavior nung
okay,
bata.
Stop. Don't go that far. You've been with this guy for how long now?
6 months.
6 months. Okay. Let's try to put this into perspective. The kid is 13 years old. Tama? You've been together for 6 months. You go to their house every week. All right? That's you can actually, diba? It's barely enough. The number of times that you are in their house to assess, diba, kung ano yung pinanggalingan ng behavior ng bata. Do not think that you are the vital part or you are a vital part of how they solve problems when it comes sa attitude ng bata. You play a very minor role. Shimera to. You are manipulative. Sige na nga, strong personality na nga.
Hindi, okay
you
sa
have a
akin
strong
yan.
personality.
Hindi, okay sa akin yan. Kasi you've been honest with me. That's why I called you eh. Kasi
Ganit, okay. Mari, may sasabihin ako sa'yo ha. Actually, ate, yung pagiging manipulative, dapat talaga, katangian ng lahat ng babae yan. Especially when you become a housewife, dapat manipulative ka, but do it in a way, diba, that your partner will feel good about it. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, uto-uto ang mga lalaki. Uto-uto kayo, madali kami utuhin. Pero depende sa, sa paraan ng panguuto niyo sa amin. Diba? If you're going to do it, diba, na ang tool mo is your strong personality ate, tanda mo ate, ang lalaki pinanganak kami na pride lang kami na tinubuan ng tao. Our pride as a guy is a lot bigger than the universe but is fragile as the eggshell. You step on that, it's cracked ate. We don't like you to be in our lives. We'll move on. There are certain ways you can make a guy ate surrender to you. Well, you have your charm. You have to remember, but being manipulative ate, didiretsahin kita ate. You're always present sa bahay ng nanay niya, ng anak. Every week. For how long now?
simula pa nung umalis siya.
Okay, for how long now?
6 months na.
6 months na. So lagi ka nandun weekly?
Weekly po talaga.
Okay.
Kasi,
May mga linggo ba ate na okay, kanino nang galing ang idea na pumunta ka doon?
ano po?
Kanino galing ang idea na pumunta ka doon?
Nung una siya. Tapos parang ako na nagkukusa.
There you go. There you go ate. Yan na yun eh. Di ba? That's so pwede ko bang sabihin sa iyo to ate na ano? Magpapakabayas lang ako ha. Coming from a guy's general point of view, alright? It's in a way invasion of my space. Diba? There are things that kasi hindi naman kayo matagal na magjowa. 6 months pa lang kayo and you guys are far away from each other. I know that you're doing this because you want to get to know him more as a person, as a dad, diba? Kaya nagpupunta ka doon, you want to get to know his family. Tama, mali?
Tama.
And I don't want to judge you. Maybe you want to love the people he loves. Tama, mali?
Tama.
But for me, ate, there are things that I can tell my kid or my mom that I don't want you to know because you are not yet really a part of my life. I mean, you are a part of my life, but nothing technical about it. Tama? It's just too much for you to be there weekly, ate, when he's not asking you to be there. Even if he is in abroad, you have to remember that's his personal space. And kung ako yung lalaki, huwag ka pumunta ron kasi baka may mga bagay na makita ka na pag nag-usap tayo, you are going to make me explain things and I don't need it. Diba? So I don't know. May tawag dyan sa Tagalog. Pwede ba sabihin ko sa'yo? Ang tawag dyan, atribida. Atribida, yung alam mo yon?
I understand.
Nakakatakot dati. Pag ako yung lalaki, matatakot ako. Oh my God, we've been together for 6 months. Diba? And we were together for quite a while nung nasa Pilipinas ako and I introduced this girl to my family. Yes, I wanted this girl to go and see my kid and my mom every time she's got a chance. But for her to maintain a lifestyle wherein she can just crash into my place and I'm far away, I will not feel uncomfortable bilang lalaki. I hope it's, I hope this is,
sinabi ko naman po yun, kaya lang...
Naman pala, pinahirapan ba kakingis dito?
Hindi, sinabi ko naman sa kanila yun na pwede ba na parang hindi muna ako pupunta, ganyan. Kasi ako yung pinapaaten ng parents meeting, ganyan. Like, the same day ng birthday ng nanay ko, in-adjust ko talaga yung time ko kasi right after shift, I went to the kid's place para sunduin kasi may meeting siya, parents meeting. And the kid was, kasi nga super close nga po kami, so parang ako yung a-attend sa meeting niya, ganyan, kasi kailangan daw ng parents. Hindi ko po kasi kayang tumanggi.
I know, ate. I am not judging the goodness of your heart in this one. But my point, ate, here is,
kasi,
it will come to a point, di ba, na, ate, walk with me here, right? I want you to dance with me here. I'm going to give you some reasonings, ate, and I hope you dance with me, ate. Okay? Ganito yan, ate, ano? Do you love the guy?
I do.
What did he tell you? Mahal ka ba niya?
Opo, sinabi niya.
That is what he told you, tama? But we are not sure. Tama, mali? What if there will be a point, kung ako yung lalaki, what if there will be a point in my life, di ba, na nagbago yung isip ko one morning? And that will give me so much of a hard time trying to explain this to my family because they're so in love with you na. Di ba? Kung ako yung lalaki, as a guy, ako na yung hindi komportable sa sarili kong pamilya because I will get this impression that they love you more than they love me. Ate, sorry it's what do you call that sa ano?
Ang galing mo. Kasi yun na yung nafe-feel ko.
Anong tawag dito? Collateral damage na to, kumbaga sa giyera. Maser, no?
Actually, ang galing mo. Sobra. Kasi totoo yan. Mas nafe-feel kong mahal ako ng pamilya na ngayon kasi kahit yung mga kapatid sinasabi sa akin ganyan talaga ugali niya, even sa mga exes na.
And I did not Marie
po,
and I did not intend that you look at it that way, ate.
Kasi
I did not mean that in a good way. Sorry, I meant that in a bad way. But you took the credit. Okay, God bless you.
Hindi, it's not that. Sinasabi ko lang na tama yung sinasabi mo. I acknowledge it. Hindi ko sinasabing tama ako. Nandun nga ako sa point na...
Ano ba yun? Ako yung mali, bad trip?
Hindi, ako yun.
O di ikaw, yes, ako yung tama.
Oo, tama ka. Kasi gusto ko lang ma-enlighten. Kasi nga sabi ko sa'yo, strong ang personality ko. Feeling ko, masyado rin akong naagrabyado, which is...
No, hindi ka naagrabyado, ate. You were making these efforts because you love the guy so much, ate. And you feel you are entitled to at least an amount of reciprocation coming from the guy.
Kasi tatanggapin ko po pag sinabi niya sa akin, ayaw na niya.
That's
kasi,
difficult to do. Diba?
I
Kasi
know,
breaking up with you is breaking up with his family because you might be fall in love with you. And that's just an invasion of what he originally owned and occupies. Ate, ganito, ano? Alright, it's human nature. You were together, you've been dating for 6 months, the first part of that 6 months, magkasama kayo, and then the rest of that, nasa abroad siya. And you, as the new member, the new face of his family, you made the effort to go to his place every single week. Tama, mali?
Tama.
Okay. I don't know, ate, if you are that good, your qualities are very, very nice, but you have to look at it this way, ate. The love that his family gave you was forced into them. They are not gonna push you away because you are there. Wala ka namang ginagawa masama. Diba? You are going there every week, spending time with the kid, ate. But guess what? Before you started going to their place every single week, believe you me, they've got different schedules. Tama? They have a different set of activities. And now, every week you are there, they needed to adjust. You became a part of the family. They needed to adjust to the schedule that you are now a part with. So, in a way, ate, yung relasyon na meron ka with them, between his family and you, ate, was forced into them. They've got no choice. Kung wala ka naman, hindi ka naman nagbabasag ng pinggan doon. They've got no choice but to love you. And I understand you, Maria. You are 34, matured ka ng tao, tama? Hindi ka na mahihayin pa sa ganitong bagay. But bilang lalaki, ate, you have to remember that the main guy, the reason, the very reason why you are enjoying the privilege, if you think you're enjoying that, you're enjoying the privilege of going to their place, ate, is the one in abroad. And you were able to grow yung relasyon between you and his family more than the relasyon na meron ka sa kanya. Did you ask him, ate? Hold on, I have a question. Was there ever a time, ate, that you asked the guy, do you truly or do you really feel that you are truly comfortable that I go to your mom's place every week?
I did.
And what did he tell you?
It's okay. You have the key. Kasi he gave me the key.
But did you believe that?
I did. Kasi
that's the only reason I can see right now na naging mali. Ate, yung Facebook thing, the message you sent the guy, hindi yan yung paghiwalay ninyo. That was a turning point. It triggered, di ba? Yung ano man yung events. But I don't think naghiwalay ka dahil lang sa maling message mo sa kanya. That's just very stupid.
Kasi ako naman yun talagang medyo lumalayo at the time. Kasi nga, para hindi masyado akong, alam mo yun, mahulog din dun sa pamilya. Kasi ganun po talaga ako eh. Masyado akong napapamahal agad na.
Yeah, that's okay. Pero, asset mo yan, ate. Asset yan.
Kasi they were the one calling me.
Asset mo yan, ate. Asset mo yan.
Na kailangan.
Hindi madaling gawin yan. Talent yan para to make a certain family fall in love with you. Talent yan. Hindi madaling gawin yan.
Hindi po talaga dahil sobra pong aloof sila. Pero
may mga tao talaga na skill nila yan. I know how it feels, ate. Talent ko yan. Talent ko, mabola ako sa nanay. Malambing ako sa asawa ko. Nung unang punta ko sa bahay nila, dala ko 2 kilong pansit. I mean, I know how it feels, ate. But you have to make sure, ate, na the relationship between you and his family, di ba? Eh, nakaangkla pa rin sa relasyon na meron ka sa boyfriend mo. His family cannot fall in love with you more than yung relasyon na meron kayong dalawa because it's gonna be wrong.
Actually, sinasabi ko na sa kanila na baka hindi mo na ako punta, ganyan. Ay, hindi. Mag-give up ka na agad, kaagad-agad. Ganun kasi yung word even the nanay na, be patient, kakausapin ka rin yan. Sila na mismo kasi ako hindi ko binabalik
yan na, yan na yung kinakatakot niya.
Yun nga eh, dun nga, kaya nga tinawagan ko ito kasi natatakot din ako na they will turn against him for me.
Now it's making sense, di ba? Ito na ngayon.
I know.
Hold on. Di ba? Now it's making sense lahat na pinag-usapan natin kanina kasi eto na. Hindi kanya kinakausap. Now, he is against his family or his family is against him and kampi na sila sa'yo. Pag lalaki ako, di ba ako yung uncomfortable ako dito kasi this is my family. And now they love you more than they love me but I'm sending them dollars. Di ba? Nakita mo yung punto? Doon nagiging mali yung sitwasyon dito, ate. Yung family na niya ang gumagawa ng it's as if they want to manipulate yung lalaking ito to love you again kung hindi na. I'm not saying hindi ka na niya mahal, ha? Pero di ba nakaka-turn off you if people are pushing you? Kasi human nature, di ba? Makontra tayo, di ba? Mas magandang tumigas ang ulo natin kaysa sumunod sa gusto ng iba. Kasi we want to show people, di ba, that we have our own identity. Now it's his family against him. And they love you. That will create uncomfortability sa kanya.
I know. And I don't want him to feel that way.
There's one solution.
Kaya nga.
Stop going to his place.
Ano yun? Parang silent. Hiwalay.
No, ate. Hindi yun ang point. Ang punto ko, kaya yun ang payo ko sa'yo. Alam mo naman, ikaw matalino ka. Sorry, ate, matalino ka. Matalino ka. Ang punto ko, kaya sinasabi ko sa'yo, it's because, Marie, I want this guy to love you. Kung meron siyang balak bumalik sa'yo, I want this guy to go back to your life only because he knows that he needs you and not his family is in love with you. That's a different story. The bond that you have between you and his family is just overrated. It's just too much.
It is.
It is not a bad thing, ate. But there should be a balance to everything.
It is overrated.
Ate, tinan mo, ha? Hindi ka niya kilala. Huwag mong iisipin na kilala ka niya. And now, the bad thing is mas kilala na ng family niya ikaw more than him. Siya yung jowa mo eh. Imbis na yung family niya, ate.
Nung time na hindi ako pumunta.
Ate, imbis na yung family niya ang makwentuhan niya tungkol sa iyo, baliktad na. Yung family niya na magkukwento tungkol sa iyo sa kanya. He will feel alienated. Nakuha mo yung punto?
Yeah.
Eto, ate. Eto, halimbawa. Eto yung pakiramdam niya, Nana. Let's come up with a direct example. Pwede ba yan? May bahay ka, may condo ka, okay? May kaibigan ka, ate. Pupunta sa condo mo. Alright? Yung kaibigan mo muna sa condo mo, may dalawang kaibigan. Okay? Pagdating sa condo mo, nagkwentuhan sila na out of place ka. Anong pakiramdam? Bahay mo yan, ha? Sila nagkakwentuhan. Ikaw yung hindi alam kung ano pinag-usapan. Ano mararamdaman mo?
I will feel bad.
They are not doing anything, di ba? Directly, di ba? Kumbaga, there's no direct crime sa iyo. Nagkakwentuhan lang sila. Because it's the relationship that they have together, tama? Anong mararamdaman mo? Kondo mo yon. Nagkakwentuhan sila. Di ba, kahit ikaw may insulto magtanong, ano pinag-uusapan nyo?
Well, it's unfair kasi on my end. Kasi nagtanong ako. Tapos siya pa nagagalit siya pag hindi ako pumupunta doon. May one time kasi na na-miss akong pumunta ng one Sunday kasi talagang pagod na pagod ako. Parang may time din na tipong gusto ko magpahinga. Pero dahil yun nga, kasi sabi niya hindi importante sa yung pamilya ko. Because guys are unreasonable. I know.
You are intelligent. Dapat naramdaman mo na ito. Whether this is his choice or this was your decision, ate, to maintain a weekly bonding with his family, ate, it did not do any good yung relasyon ninyo.
Kasi ayokong masabihan na makapalang mukha ako, parang pumupunta doon. And, own everything.
Uy, makapal talaga mukha mo, uy!
Oo, sobra.
Ayokong masabihan, ngud-ngud kita dyan sa kaning baboy.
Sobra. Aminado
kaning baboy
naman ako.
Na merong tamtak sa ilalim.
Aminado ako. Aminado ako dyan.
Ganda na. Marie, sorry for the term makapal ang mukha mo, but let's just put that into a better light, okay?
Okay.
You're confident that people would love you because you've got your ways. May charisma ka siguro. Baka ganun. I don't think it's over, to tell you honestly. Diba? I don't think it's over. But I think, ate, you have to give up at least, or you have to give your guy the space that he needs. It is family. Ibigay mo muna sa kanya yung espasyong yan. That's his. He doesn't have to feel uncomfortable in his own turf. To be frank sa'yo. That's his turf and now he's uncomfortable. Okay, lalaki, tatawag nanay ko, "Hoy, Bakit di mo kinakausap si Marie? Ano ka ba? Ang bait-bait ng taong iyon. Lagi nandito, inaalagaan yung anak mo. Di ba? Ang hirap sumagot. Ba? Hindi na nakabase sa emosyon ko kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin. Nakabase na kasi tumatanong na pala tayo utang na loob sa kanya. I know she's a good person, pero may pakiramdam ako. The reason why we are here because we have something that's going on. Diba? Whatever it is, yung relasyon niya between you and his family is secondary. Tama, mali? Galing ko, no?
Tumbok. Kasi yan talaga yung sinabi ng nanay niya sa kanya.
Galing ko talaga. Ano to, epekto to ng pizza eh. Wala ka nang tira sa akin eh. Pero hindi ko naman gustong kumain talaga kasi malamig na.
I'll give him space. Hindi ko naman siya kahit...
No, ate. Do not give him a space. Give him his space. That's his space. That's not yours. I-status mo bukas ito, ha? Sa Facebook. Alam, mahilig kayo dito. I-status mo, ate, ganito. Not because you know the story doesn't mean you're a part of it. Not because you know the story of his family, it doesn't make you a part of his family. Not yet.
Pero palagay niyo, love pa kaya ako?
Of course, yes. Yun lang, ate. I mean, let's take it easy, if anything.
Yeah.
Bigyan mo na space niya. Of course,
Super
mahal ka niyan. For a guy, ate, to surrender a key sa iyo, mahal ka niyan. We do not easily surrender, ate, our keys.
Hinihintay ko na nga lang hingin sa akin. Na pag sinabi na bigay mo na kay mama yung susi, I think that's the end.
Stop assuming that.
Pero ayoko kasi maging negative.
Kasi ano yun? Hindi mo magiging negative yun?
Hindi, kasi syempre may isip mo naman yun. Parang ako kasi I'm just parang preparing myself for the worst.
No? You don't. You prepare yourself to fight for this person, whatever it takes. That's what you have to prepare for. As long as you've got the reason. Let's take one step at a time. Isa-isa lang. Yung muna, ate, give him his space.
Hindi ba pwedeng hanggang November 1? Kasi...
para 34 ka na, para kang tanga, may limit ka sa ganyan.
Hindi.
Tumigil ka, walang ganon. Walang ganyan.
May request kasi akong pupunta doon dahil nga merong syempre padasal doon sa dad niya.
Ate, stop. You are just way deep into this, ate. Too deep into this. Sa family niya. Babalik na naman. Ito na naman, ate. Diba? The very reason why you are seeing his family is because of him. He is your bridge to his family. If you and him are not okay, ate, allow him, ate, to give you the clearance to go to his family. Yun, nababypass na siya eh. It's as if giving... Okay, I want you to listen very carefully. Lalo mag-jowa dito ngayon. It's as if giving your password to your boyfriend or your girlfriend and your girlfriend went over your Facebook without telling you na, oy, I'm going to access your account, ha? Kahit alam mo password na, kahit alam mo ang password ng girlfriend mo, boyfriend mo, huwag mo kalkalin nang hindi ka nagsabi. Kasi kanya pa rin yun eh. Tama? Huwag ka mag-reply on his behalf or on her behalf. Huwag mo i-chat yung mga kaibigan niya. Huwag ka mag-block na hindi naman, di ba? Kasi hindi naman sa'yo yung account.
Would I still text him?
Ha?
Would I still text him?
Of course.
Like
Mama, send him a picture na naka-plunging neckline ko. Ate, nag-aaway lang kayo. Okay. Marie.
Yes.
Let's not act as if naghiwalay na kayo.
Okay.
Okay? We are overreacting. You are overreacting.
Is it okay if I apologize?
It's normal for a girl to overreact. You do that.
Hindi. Is it okay if I apologize? Like, siguro...
What would you apologize about?
Yeah, siguro kung if he feels uncomfortable me going there.
See, that's sarcastic.
No. Is it?
See? You are being
Ano
insensitive.
ba yan? Parang maling-mali naman.
Ate, you have to be careful about this. Because if the question is, mahal ka ba niya at mahal mo siya, the answer is yes. But what comes along sa pagmamahalan ninyo? Now, there you go. You have to be very, very careful. Gusto ko ng ganito mga problema natin. Challenge ako.
Kasi parang contradicting kasi yung mga actions niya at sinasabi niya sa akin.
Stop defining your man!
No, I'm not. Kasi,
You are!
No, I'm not. You know why?
Nice si ate. Parang tanga. Contradicting kasi yung ano. Ano ka ba? Isn't that defining your man? Honestly, what did he do? He didn't talk to you. Tama? It's wrong, ate. It's just, I think it's just overreacting na, or overreaction on his part na dinlit kanya sa
No,
account
there
niya.
was one event.
Po?
There was one event kasi na nangyari.
May event? Ano pong costume doon?
Cosplay. It was a cosplay. Oh, may costume talaga. Hindi kasi he got mad. Yun yung hindi naman sobra-sobra pero he got mad na hindi ko sinamahan yung anak. It's because hinayaan ko yung tito naman yung kapatid niya ang sumama. It's because para may bonding sila ng bata. And kami nag-usap ng bata at ng tito na okay lang. Ako parang ayoko kasi na parang
okay, ate,
ako
ganta,
lang
no?
laging
Ganta, no?
kasama.
Okay, you are missing the point. You are missing the point. Nagalit siya, di ba? Hindi dahil hindi mo sinamahan yung bata. You are missing the point. Someone can tell me the point here? You completely missed the point. Do you want me to tell you?
Of course.
Hindi siya nagalit dahil hindi mo sinamahan yung bata. Nagalit siya because you came up with your own decisions with regard to his kid. You cannot decide for the kid. He's the dad. Huh? You are missing the point. Hindi siya nagalit dahil hindi mo sinamahan yung bata. That's not the point. When a father and son go out to fish, they are not really catching a fish. They're trying to bond and gel with each other. It's not about the fish. It's about the time together. When he got mad at you, he was not trying to be mad na hindi mo sinamahan yung bata. It's the fact that you came up with your own decision as if wala kayo naging usapan na ikaw nasama sa bata. You see? Now you're being manipulative. That's not for you to decide on. You've been together for 6 months. You pwesto mo ang sarili mo na maayos. Am I insulting you?
No, I'm not.
You are
I'm not
supposed to be insulted. Ano ba
No,
yan?
I'm not.
Ang hirap naman ng ano nito. Ang tigas naman ito.
Hindi ako
Teka lang,
nai-insulto.
ano ba? Ano sabihin
Gusto
ka?
mo ba ako ma-insulto?
Sige na nga, hindi na nga. You're a wise person. Matalino ka ate. Sorry
Kasi wini-weigh ko lang yung mga bagay na sinasabi mo sa akin.
Pero ako may punto ko doon ate. Doon sa nagdesisyon ka kasi na, nag-usap na kami ng anak mo eh. Pero di pa kung lalaki, hindi naman yung usapan natin ah. Bakit ka nag-decide?
Hindi naman niya kasi narinig yung sinabi ko. That's the point. Kaya nga siya yung nag-apologize din. Nasabi ko, hindi naman. So pumunta pa rin naman ako. Ako pa rin naman sumama kasi ayaw nga ng bata na ibang kasama. Ako
Okay, ganito
lang.
na. To be clear with you, Marie,
Yes.
we guys, 90% of the time, are unreasonable. We are. We are, 90% of the time, we are full of excuses. To be mad, to be stupid. Tama mali. We are.
Sobrang tama.
And it makes us interesting. Sorry mga kaibigan ha, that's our charm. Di ba? Because you girls, you have this instinct, it's called motherly instinct. And it applies to everyone. When we are being difficult, di ba, you don't see us as a problem. You see us as a challenge. You don't see us broken. You see us as something to be fixed. Tama mali. Tama mali.
Tama.
You see? And right now, you are not in your elements, ate. Umaharte ka. If he is being unreasonable right now, ate, at sasabayan mo ng arte mo, ano pupuntahan ng relasyon? You have invested so much on this. Tama, mali?
Oo.
Saka ka umarte pag nagbalik na sa'yo yan. Pwede ba yan? Saka ka na umarte. Pag mahal ka na niya ulit, kasi mahal ka niyan eh. Ilang taon na siya?
42.
Ganun talaga pa nagkakaedad na.
Ba yan?
Ang tawag dyan ay aging hazards. Aray. Oh my God.
I just love him so much. Yun lang. Kaya
It's normal.
sobrang hindi ko alam. I'm just trying to be okay, but I'm not.
It's okay not to be okay.
Alam mo yun, kasi people around me.
Pang-status na naman yun, ha? Pang-status na naman. It's okay not to be okay. Papa Jack na nun.
Parang people around me knows that I'm strong and kaya ko to, ganyan.
Who cares about other people right now?
Deep inside, I just want to be
Iyan.
happy.
Minsan kaya umihirap ang sitwasyon eh. Di ba? We consider people na wala namang kinalaman sa atin. Who cares? Do you care about them?
Yeah, because there's my family.
Alam ko naman, around you, alam mo, matropa mo. Why not tell them that you're going through something?
No, I can't. Please.
And this is, okay, Marie, let's stop acting as if this is too serious. And very, kumbaga, life-threatening. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
O pala naman eh. Wag ka ganang O8 eh.
Hindi naman. Mahal mo lang yung tao, kaya minsan nagiging OA ka.
I agree. Amen to that one.
And it's okay to be OA sometimes. Especially
Buti may sometimes. Sana magwawala sana ako eh. Muntik nang patikalkal dito.
Lalo na sa mahal mo. So, okay lang yun.
What's his first name?
Wag na.
Kilala mo ako.
Wag na. Alam
First
ko.
name and you are going to
You know me. I'm strong.
I never cared.
I'm manipulative. Remember?
Wag mo antay maniwala ako, ate.
Na ano?
You called my show and you want to exhibit your bad side.
It's okay if that's how you feel about me, if I'm bad or not.
No, I'm not saying. I'm just asking what's his
Pero
name
I
because
trust you kasi.
I'm giving you ate I just want to know how you're going to say, hey, let's talk again sa kanya. I'd expect you to participate because you called the show. You cannot run your own style here. This is my world. I don't need to feel uncomfortable right now. Now, what's his first name and what's your message for him?
Bodge.
Natakot siya! Wala, ini-edges lang kita eh. Pwede mo naman di sabihin.
Okay lang yan. O, diba? Di nagbabago na ako.
See?
Bigay na.
Tinan mo, may pag-asa ka pala. Congratulations! Bibigyan kita ng ticket ng Star City! Ilang gusto mo?
3. Para 3 kami.
3 lang? Ano ba yan? 5 to nakahanda dito eh.
Di gawin mo ng 5.
3 lang. Huwag kang Sige na nga 5 na.
Hindi, para yung 2 sa iba naman na mag-boyfriend. Okay lang
Kung
yan.
sabihin niya, baka hingin ng 2 dito yan. Sakto, may mag-jowa
O
dito.
kaya kayong 2 ng mahal mo.
Bakit ate, libre ako sa Star City? Ang may-ari ng Star City, may-ari ng kumpanya namin.
Matagal na ako hindi nakakapunta dyan.
Ang ganda na.
Talaga.
Oo.
Gawa pa
Makikita mo
may
yung mukha
Wild
namin
River
dyan.
pa ba?
Ano po?
May Wild River pa ba?
Meron nga Pasig River eh. I'm giving you 5 ride all you can tickets to Star City. Would that be okay?
Uy, thank you. Sobrang araw-araw kitang pinakikinggan.
Thank you very much. Much ate. Means a lot.
Tsaka sa lahat-lahat ng mga callers mo, regardless if, alam mo yun, yung iba parang wala lang. Pero I prayed talaga earlier. Kung makakatawag ako sa'yo, I really prayed a lot. Kasi,
Thank you, ate. You didn't have to. You just have to dial my number.
Lalo na yung last night, yung Yung may anak na
Si Rain ng Muntinlupa.
Oo.
It broke my heart last night. Rain broke my heart last night.
Naiyak ako. Kasi may mga babae talagang ganun. And feeling ko kaya ko rin maging ganun. Pero
Were you against what I said?
hindi ba pagka-Annabelle drama ako pag nagalit?
Huwag ka na magbanggit.
Ay, sorry.
Idol ko yun.
Idol ko rin naman, Dong. Ano ka ba?
Uday, paktay ka diha, dong. Wait lang. Since you listened to me last night, were you against what I said?
No.
I was against myself last night.
No.
I just thought it was the most sensible thing to say.
No, because she's old enough to know kung ano yung gusto niya. That's what she wants, eh.
Sometimes pain is a good driving force, right?
Yes.
You believe that?
Yes.
Are you in pain right now? Are you in pain right now?
I am.
Do you think it's a good driving force?
It is.
Okay, if you believe that, ate, then question is, where are you heading? Now that's a choice that you have to make. Nobody can make it on your behalf. Kung nakaantabay si Bodge, anong mensahe mo sa kanya? Anong team song niya maliban sa magkalayong agwat, kakawin ng lahat, mapasyayo.
Kung maputi na ang buhok.
Kung tayo ay mataba na, sana'y
yun talaga.
di tayo magbago. Okay. Sa hiraman yung CD ko eh.
Okay lang, kahit
I'll try to play another song. Inay?
I trust your taste.
Mga Tubi Camon, Candlelights.
Ay, huwag naman yan.
Ano ba yung Spice Girls eh?
Huwag naman yung Spice Girls.
Gusto mo ng the chorus?
All of me.
Go
I want all of me.
Go on.
Kinakanta ko rin yan, the chorus.
Leave me breathless.
Maganda yung all of me.
What would I do that you're mine now? Running me in and you kicking me out. I like you. Alam mo ate, I like talking to people ate na immerse sa usapan. And you're one of those very, very few I've talked to na matalino kausap.
Thank you.
I am not saying mga kaibigan na lesser yung mga ibang kausap ko. It's just that ate, it was very difficult for me to explain yung punto ko kanina and you got it. You got it. May 1.5, binubula lang kita. Actually, mahirap akong kausap eh.
Talaga? Well, ganun talaga.
Nasaan ba yung tubo ko? Teka ka sa akin. I'm trying to look for a song. I don't know exactly what to play. Pwede bang, deep. So this is what you mean.
Kahit
Catching, basta itong kantang yan, no? Catching every breath, no? All the signs of them. Diba? Tapos sometimes I know. Sometimes ito na. Go down deep. Oh.
Magkita yung after the deep. Yung wow.
Pataw, tumigil ka na. Huwag ka na. Ano bang ginagawa ng asawa? Mahal! Tulog na yung misis ko.
Oo, pinagod mo.
Hindi yun, doon nga siya natutulog. Nag-date kami kanina.
Oo nga, narinig ko nga eh.
You watch a film, you have to watch it. If I Stay. I know. If I Stay pala yung last week. The Best of Me.
I do watch movies alone before.
I eat movies, by the way. Yabangan na to, contest to,
Hindi, kasi I've been
I ate
for
movies last week. And one ate, baka mapikong ka ha?
O hindi. Hindi ako madaling mapikon. Baka ikaw.
Ay, napipikon lang ako pag may boses.
Ay, ganun.
Ate, doon lang ako napipikon. Pasensya ko, mga kaibigan, sobra. Mukha lang akong galit palagi, pero kung titignan nyo ko, bilang na bilang ang pagbababa ko ng telepono. Hindi nyo lang marinig. Kasi kung ako lang on air, dito sa booth, maririnig ko naman kayo eh. I only worry for the people na nakaantabay sa bahay-bahay nila. Kaya pinapalakasan ko.
Tama.
Tama naman. Kaya nang hinay ng boses mo.
Kasi pasensya ka na. Nasa trabaho nga eh.
Hi. You're forgiven, but si Bodge na. You can actually have the recording of or the record of this one and send it to him if you want. 1.5. If he's listening right now, ate, go ahead. Baho.
Ikaw naman.
Game po!
Be.
Go ahead.
Be, I miss you so much. I'm sorry kung ano yung mga nasabi ko. Hindi ko naman talagang intensyon na magalit ka. I'm sorry. Nandito lang ako lagi. I was hurt na, well, kahit sabihin mong mababaw, tinanggal mo ako sa Facebook mo. Pero, ang dami kasing nagtanong. Kaya, alam mo naman, hindi ako magaling magsinungaling. Kaya parang ang hirap. Ayun, sana maging okay na kausapin mo ko. It's been 2 weeks. And I just can't stop thinking about you. Importante ka sa akin, sobra. Alam mo naman na may trust issues ako and...
Oh, stop! There you go. Nalumabas din. That's a problem that can never be solved by anybody but you. Trust issues.
Hindi pa naman tapos, ikaw talaga.
Ano ba yan?
You interrupted me. No, it was just an intro.
And... Sige na po. Patawarin niyo na po ako po. Pamumulta ko 1.5.
Gusto ko yan.
Okay, game po!
Ayun, you made me trust again. Tinanggap mo ko ng buong buo. Sana kung nakikinig ka ngayon, maisip mo yung masasayang araw na nandito ka sa Pilipinas. Na nung sinabi mo sa akin, you want to grow old with me. I hold on to that. It's the sweetest thing na ginawa mo. Hindi ako bibitaw. I will never give up. Well, she understands the fear. Basta I miss you so much and I love you. I just want you to take care of yourself because you're alone there. No one will take care of you.
He's not alone!
Thank you kasi you made me go to church again. One of the best things that you did. So sana kahit ano kusapin mo ako, I would accept everything. Kasi nahihirapan din ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano iniisip mo. If you want me to, stay away from your family, kung gusto mo, hindi mo na ako pupunta sa bahay ninyo. It's fine. I'm okay. I just want you to be happy. Every day, I just want you to be happy. Yun lang po.
Ganda no kanta, no? Hindi ka ba naiyak?
Sobra. Kapanahunan niya yun eh. Papa, thank you. Thank you.
You are
so
welcome.
much. Sobrang thank you. And I will cherish this forever.
Forever?
Oo.
Okay.
Nabubuhay ako. Kasi super idol kita. Kahit
Hala, kung super idol mo ako, anong powers ko?
ay, ako.
I've got
You're like a
my
magneto.
life to show. I love you, you know. Although sometimes it just doesn't so. I like this one. Love me forever. This one. Love me all night through. Love me alive.
Pag maging okay ulit kami, tatawag ako ha.
Well, you are welcome to do that. And of
Sabihin
course,
ko
magiging okay kayo. I trust that.
Thank you for your positivity.
I am not being positive. I'm just a guy and I know how we act. Ano ba kayo, girls? Diba? We are very predictable.
No, you're not.
We are.
No.
When it comes to things, kaya nga madaling hulaan ang password namin. Because it's very easy for you to read us. We're such a cheap giveaway in most cases.
Hindi nyo lang kasi sinasabi yung gusto nyong sabihin. It won't hurt us.
No,
That's the
that makes
thing.
us special. And don't talk as if hindi nyo gawain.
Ayoko
Silent
na.
treatment was actually invented by a girl. I don't know who. But I'm sure it's a girl. Tama? No? Ganyan kayo. Thank you very much for calling, ate.
Okay.
My wife is very sleepy.
I know.
And she's there. She's looking at me. Oh my God, she's looking at me.
She's really pretty.
She's really pretty and she has to. Para bumaki siya sa akin.
Grabe ka ha.
Huwag mo na kontrahin. Diba kaiwanan ako, makarealize yan.
Oo.
Maisip
Hindi
niya, oh my
naman.
God, I'm wasting my youth with this old man.
Sobrang mahal na mahal ka niya. Pinakasalan ka eh.
Tinakot ko. Sabi ko, wala ka na makikita ng ganito kalaki. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo, ang bastos na dalawa na dito mag-jowa na. Ano naisip, napahawak sa anis ng boyfriend? Wow ha, ate ha. Tumigil ka dyan ha.
Basta super thank you ha. Thank you talaga for your time.
You are welcome. At stay on the other line because we are going to get your details. I'm going to give you, di ba? I'm going to give you 5 ride all you can ticket to Star City!
Thank you. Thank you.
Star City, ate, ikaw! Ang star... Ano? Pero kang
Sinisip ko na
5
ako.
ride all you can ticket. Bigyan ng jacket. Joke lang, walang jacket.
Cellphone na lang, pwede.
Tigas na mukha mo, ha? May,
Di ba makapal ang mukha ko?
wag mo nang pangatawanan pa yung part na yun.
Cute ka naman eh.
Ate, walang cellphone, ride all you can ticket lang ako dito.
Ganun. Ay, si Chico, hahay mo ko. I-kiss mo pala ako.
Eh, di ang tanga namin tingnan pag hinalikan ko siya.
It's a chicks lang. Brotherly kiss.
Walang brotherly kiss sa chicks. Walang nagkikiss sa amin.
Oo, o kaya hug mo ko. Gusto ko kayo every Friday. Grabe. I'm so excited every Friday.
Thank you very much. Please do not visit us on a Friday evening. There's just a lot. There's just too much crowd here and there's too much going on.
No, I'm not gonna
We
visit
discourage
you.
people to be visiting on a Friday, but, well, if you are around, you're most welcome to come in.
No, someday siguro.
Someday
Kahit katang.
we'll know why Samson loved Delilah.
Yeah.
Someday we'll know.
Just continue to touch people's lives. Kasi,
Alam ko anong itatouch.
oo, kasi you've been an inspiration. Tsaka,
You know what, Marie, that means a lot coming from someone like you to tell me I've been touching people's lives.
oo, kahit na minsan nonsense yung mga kausap mo.
Wow, wag ka
Sorry.
naman lakit ng iba, te. Magsorry ka.
I apologize po sa mga
that's just too
tumawag at nakausap ni Papa Jack. Pero hindi. Pero wag na nga. Sige, sabi ko sa'yo, I'm bad eh. Pero no, thank you. Tsaka, wala namang maliit na problema na hindi na-resolve.
Correct. Salamat sa pagtawag, ate. Someone will talk to you off air, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, please give your details, alright?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, kinuha na po siya ng pagkakataon. Kung ang buhay ay isang umagang nakangiti at ikaw ay crocodile, sinasugod ng giraffe, di mo man silip. Ay, ako din, talent ko din yon. Ano yun, Tita G? Anong talent mo doon? Tuloy na. Uy, maligayang pa. Uy, tuloy na ang aming Cram Top Caravan. Buong Pilipinas, I'm going around the country, mga kaibigan, for my Cram Top Caravan. I just got a text here from one of my bosses. Buong Pilipinas, mga kaibigan, ha? Kayo. Nakaka-inlove naman ang boses ng caller mo, bedroom voice. Kaya mo dambo ka talaga. May problema na yung tao, ganyan ka pa, ha? Si dambo ng Showtime, tsura mo. Yung madaling mag-care, sabi ni Tita G. Alam ko yan. I've been a wetness. Ay, witness pala. Hindi wetness. Ano, basa, ganun, ha? Mahal, are you happy you're spending a lifetime with me? Well, you have to. You don't have any choice. We're married. Like me, I don't have any choice. We're stuck in this together. Mahal, let's go jogging later. You know, you have to lose weight. I don't have them so macho, you know. Lako ka, ayaw mo, ha? Happy 19th Mansari. Nakalipas na kanina pa to me and my wife. It's been a blast na napagdaanan ko ang 19 na buwan, mga kaibigan, sleeping right next to a beautiful lady. Kinis ng puson. Woo! Yay! Woo! Mahal, hindi ka kinikilig dyan? Ano ba yan? Wala lang. Di ba nga malike ko lang yung mga ano nila, yung mga comment sa akin, kinikilig, tas ikaw ganyan ka lang? Ang swerte mo nga eh. Gustuhan kita, macho-macho ko. Di ba? Ang kinis-kinis ng katawan ko. Nasusuka ka na? Duduwal ka na ba, ha? Mukha mo? Nakaanta ba si Sir Mitoy? Pinaikot-ikot at dinurog-turog. Ma'am Marley, nakaanta ba siya? Maligayang pakikinig po. Papa Jack, kota ka na, may jamming bomb. Nakapakiramdam ko. Gusto ko kang tugtuin yung yellow para sa inyo. Alam ba yellow? Look at the stars. Ano ba yan? Look how they shine for you and everything you do. It was all yellow. Diba? I took my... Ano yan? Tsaka yung alam niyo ba you're a god? Hindi niyo alam? Wala, sa kay galing. Hindi alam niyo you're a god? Vertical horizon? Gotta be honest, I think you know, we're covered with lies and that's okay. There's someone between us, I know, but I hope I can find the words to say. Never again. Alam niyo to? Wala pa rin kayong clue. No. Never again. 'Cause you're a God and I am not. Hindi nyo alam? Ano ba yan? Roar! Napapaalam na ako. Ano pa ba? Hoy, yung mga nagtatagsakan ng picture kung ginagawa nyo ang Dracula, ha? Gilan nyo yan, ha? You see? It's just really weird to be scared of your own face. Don't do that. Papa Jack, kailan ang book signing mo dito sa Davao? Wala! Wala pang schedule, pero meron. Sabi ni Chard, hot shot. Wow, hot shot. Batiin ko ngayon. Sa kami to, hello po. Maganda kanta para sa kanila. Can you feel the love tonight? May point ba yun? Wala naman, no? There's a conference. Papatagalin ko ito kasi may nag-aantay sa akin eh. Meron po dito nag-aantay, mga kaibigan. Ilan pa sila? 6. 4 na magkakatrabaho at 2 magkapares. So inaantay nila ako magsalita at picture taking kami. So alis na sila. Pag ginawa nila, wala na matitira, malungkot na. So magpapatagal ako dito. Parang di ba? Ganito lang. Matapos kayo maki-aircon, aalis kayo, ganun. Mukha nyo. Nga kayo. Masama ugali ko eh. May pasok kayo bukas? Wala, may pasok ka? Anong oras? Huwag po kaya alam ko, di mo na kapapasok eh. May balak ko lang sila ngayon. Woo! Wala! Basa ko naman comment dito. Bati naman sa amin bago ka umuwi, pasubay, nakasubaybay sila Romnick Conventon, Ryan Tanio at Susan Tanio sa Philadelphia. Really? You were in the US? Oh my God. This is amazing. Very amazing. Baka nakaanta ba si Ate Glennis? Hello po. Hoy, congratulations sa nanay ko ha. Yung nanay ko, mga kaibigan, good news. Nag-tweet sa akin yun, nag-message sa akin nanay ko. Sabi niya, anak, may Facebook na ako, add mo ako. Hayo, yung nanay ko, may Facebook na. Ibabadi po ko lagi nanay ko. Binabadi ko lahat ng mga nilalang mga kaibigan na binabadi po yung mga crush nila. Ano yung sabi pa ganun? Poke you. Diba? Poke you. Space you. I'm gonna play one song and then I'll be back, mga kaibigan. Just have to accommodate few people here. Hindi ko alam yung kanta. What do we play? Sally That Girl. Sally That Girl. Uncle Cracker tayo. You don't know what met me, you don't know why. You can't turn around and say goodbye. Oh, you know when I'm with you, I make you breathe and swim to the ocean, girl. Ano kaya maganda? Hoy, tumulong na kayo para matapos na to. Ay, maitulong. Ano kaya? Say something. All of me na lang. All of me na lang. All. Spelling yan. All. Of me. All of me. Yan. Alright, I'll be back. Don't go.